Welcome back. For more than 12 years, the Quick Law Group has helped women navigate through the difficulty of getting a divorce and other tough family issues. But now the firm is broadening its horizons. And please welcome back to the show, Heather Quick. And Heather, congratulations, because your firm is now growing and you just started a new company.
Absolutely,
Talk about
yes.
that. Congratulations.
Thank you. Well, the Quick Law Group, we focus on divorce and family law for women. And so then I run into many amazing women, one going through divorce, but also partnering in business, because that is our main focus. So other women business owners who have that clientele and deal a lot with women, that is what began this new venture that is called Finding Your Power, is the name of the company, to help us really focus on women's need in business and growing their businesses.
Why did you find and feel that it was so important to help women with business? I mean, this is not, because your law firm primarily focuses on women in divorce.
Yes.
Why did you want to then start something that focused solely on business?
Well, I have learned so much because I have built this business of the law firm starting from really nothing, and learned so many things that I didn't learn in law school. And most individuals and women, you know, they want to create a business following their passion. And so they're an expert in that field, but it doesn't always include business skills and numbers and things that are vital, marketing, sales, and the mindset. There's so many things that really go into building a successful $1 million company. And
so what in your goal with this new company then is to help show women the way and to empower them?
Yes, absolutely, because there's nothing more frustrating than having this wonderful idea, this passion, and then it's not successful. And maybe having the skills that you can learn. And a good friend of mine, a very successful woman, Brooke Lively, who is the president of Cathedral Capital, she has so much of a financial background and operates as an independent CFO for several companies. So we're partnering together to present these skills and teach women, because I learned a lot of these skills, thankfully, but from men, which is fine, but women approach things different. And we really wanted to have a company and a service that understands our many demands that women have.
And is it also a networking thing too, for women to meet other women, to get inspiration and to get information, guidance?
Absolutely, because we bring so much to the table. And the more women you meet who are struggling with work-life balance, family, kids, understanding how to grow a business, you can create and meet a wonderful new support group and maybe resources that you didn't know. Because when we all come together and share ideas.
There you go. And speaking of that, you guys have a business workshop coming up a little bit later. Talk about how people can get involved in that and what to expect when they come.
It is going to be a wonderful day. It's going to be a full day on March 27th. And it is at the Omni in downtown Jacksonville. It's going to be a full day, and it's going to be a lot of value content there. They can go to the Finding Your Power website to register or email us. Everything's going to be set up on the email for them, but we were happy to answer any questions, because I think that's what people want to know. Well, what am I going to learn? And just call us and we'll give you everything you need to know on that.
Okay, and then also you're going to do a women's retreat. So this is different than the business luncheon where you can get together and network. The retreat, is this going to be over a weekend, a long period of time? And then how does this differentiate from the other initiatives that you have?
The women's retreat is in Tucson, Arizona at the Miraval Resort. And it is going to be a 3-4 day event, really devoted to helping women find their power, but healing. It is a healing type trip that it'll allow them to maybe heal their mind, body, spirit, and really begin their new life. So that stems a lot from the divorce process, or maybe a life-changing event that really causes you to be in a place where you're looking to grow and heal. What
can they expect at the retreat? Will there be various speakers? Will there be motivational speakers? Will there be informational sessions where they can learn?
Yes, all of that. But we will have an agenda. There's activities. The resort is amazing, so there will be adventure type activities tied into growing and really looking at what your fear is. And there will also be, they have a great horse therapy type event that we will do, and then we will have conferences with a specific agenda to follow some great teachers on that to help affect with the healing and getting maybe through what is really stopping them in life.
So if someone wants to get more information and they want to learn, because there's a lot going on and they might want to go and research some of this, the best spot is, again, to go to the website that you just created for the new company. And what is that?
Yes, it is findingyourpower.guru, and so it's a little different, and it has all of the events listed, and we also have an email set up, events at findingyourpower.guru, and we are happy to respond to that. We will respond and fill you in with more details.
Well, and speaking of responding, you can do so instantaneously because you are going to be answering questions on firstcoastnews.com. And if you go there and you click on the After Talk link on the homepage, you will be sitting there answering, not asking, I guess you could ask questions if you wanted to, but you'll be answering questions live right after this segment.
Yes,
right.
I will be here to do that, so welcome those questions.
Well, thank you, Heather. As always, we appreciate the Quick Law Group for sponsoring this segment. For more information on Heather's new company, Finding Your Power, and to register for any of their upcoming events, visit findingyourpower.guru, which is kind of cool, or send an email to events@findingyourpower.guru. And Heather's going to stick around, as I mentioned a second ago. If you have any questions, you can log on to firstcoastnews.com, scroll towards the middle of the page, and click on the After Talk link. It's right under the Right Now headline. If you go there and you log in, get any of your questions asked, she will be there to answer them.